Hello everyone, we are discussing a new module, network monitoring for network engineers. So our main objective for this video would be using PRTG network monitor. We will be demonstrating a practical example. We will be configuring read-write access community string with PRTG network monitor. You have to keep in mind, by using read-write string, the network management server can only access information on the router, but the network management server can modify things in the router too. So in RW, the network management server can modify things in the router as well as compared to read-only string. So we will be using these two devices for the lab task on the Practice Lab platform. The one is NY-Edge1 router and the server we are having is PLAB CSC001. We are on NY-Edge1 router. Moving on to global configuration mode, configuring SNMP server. The command is snmp-server community followed by the string. We are going to use a community string. We are using practice labs followed by question mark. This will show you we are using RW. So we will write RW in front of it, which means read-write access. So RW. Now we are going to ping the server. The IP of server is 192.168.16.10. You can see over here success rate is 100%. Moving on to PRTG monitor, you can see the interface over here. We are going to add the router over here. The devices option is shown over here. We will add the router over here from this option. We can add a device from the option add device. You can see over here the options over here. We need to specify the specifics for the device. Moving on to network infrastructure option. Continue. We will add the device name over here. So device has been named. Now moving on to IP address, we are going to give it a IP address. The IP address of the router you can see and check with the command show IP interface brief. You can see over here the IP address of the router is 192.168.60.1. So we are putting it here as well, adding the device with the IP address 192.168.16.1. 16.1. So we have given it the name and the IP version 4 address 192.168.16.1. We have given it the IP address. Now moving on to the next options over here, you can see on this interface. Now we can click the continue option. So you can see over here our device has been added now. You can see over here device has been added. You can see gateway 192.168.16.1. We can access this device because we have added this device. One sensor OK. Ping response you can see over here is OK as well. You can see the response and the output as follows. Moving on to this option, you can see the detail over here. Ping time, you can see over here the IP, the dependency, default interval, and you can see over here this device ping time is 1 milliseconds. You can see over here. So you can see that we have added it. Now moving on to settings, and we will add one more thing, the credentials, the community string of the read-write community string that we configured on the router. We need to mention here as well. You can see over here, moving on to settings of the device, scrolling downwards, you can see, and unchecking this mark credential for SNMP devices. We will uncheck it and it will ask for the community string. Version of SNMP is 2. Community string that was set was public, but we set a particular community string. So we will name it, we will mention it so that it is now registered as an SNMP device. You can see over here the version 2. Why we use version 2? We have version 3 as well, which is more secure and offers data encryption as well. So moving on to community string and naming it as practice labs that we did in the router. So practice lab, name of our community string, practice lab, save the settings. You can see over here we have saved the settings and the output is shown over here. You can see the data over here. You can see the uptime, all the specifics we can monitor from the SNMP configurations, uptime, downtime, coverage. You can see from the output. Live data can also be monitored from this PRTG monitor. If we move on to the live monitor, we can see the other detail as well, the live monitoring, the live data. You can see over here, we have a graph over here being shown. So this is all the live monitoring, the millisecond, the delays, the time interval, the time, particular time can be seen with the date, the downtime, packet loss at that particular time. So you can collect all the logs. You can see the graph, the delays, you can see the peaks over here. Now moving on to the NY-Edge1 router again. You can see, we can check the IP address of the router 192.168.16.1. Now moving on to global configuration mode. Now we will input some settings on the interface. Given Ethernet 0/0, we will shut down this interface. So we are shutting down this interface. It means the router interface has been shut down, which was configured for SNMP. And now you will see the downtime, the red mark on the SNMP monitor that your device is down because we have shut down the interface. It can be down due to any reason. You can see over here alarm. So alarm means that there is something wrong with the device, particular device in your network. That is part of SNMP monitor. You can see the alarm over here. You can see over here the device is down, status is down, request timeout. So this is all about the network monitor. You can also do some settings with the read that community string because you can modify settings. Moving on to global configuration mode, we can use this command snmp -server and we can add some information. We can add contact, snmp-server contact job skill share. You can use any contact name. We can set the location as well for the information to be sent to the SNMP device. snmp-server, we can set the location. You can see the options over here. We can set anything. Right now we're setting location over here, snmp-server location. Our location can be anything. I am setting JSS. So this is all we can modify on the device as well. You can see over here. If you see the running configuration here, you can see the running configuration. snmp-server community practice lab read write community string has been configured. Location, contact, all the information is modified and can be edited